This is Excel Lesson 6. We're manually formatting cell contents, starting with aligning and indenting cells, step by steps. I've opened the O6 Patient Visits Format Cells worksheet from the student data files. Selecting A3 through O3, my column headers. I will go to the Home tab, and in the Alignment group, I'm going to select the Center button. This is going to center horizontally my column labels. Now I'll select D4 through O8. And in the Home tab Alignment group, I'm going to click Align Right button. All the numbers are now right aligned. Let's click C4 through C8. And let's look at the Increase Indent button in the Alignment group of the Home ribbon. That will move my cell contents toward the right cell border. If I then click Decrease Indent, it will move it back towards the left cell border. Before we go on, let's save the file Save As, navigating to our class folder and adding solution to the end of our file name and our last name, first name to the beginning of our file name. There are many types of alignment. When you enter text, alphabetic characters are left aligned horizontally, meaning they're against the left side of the cell, and numeric characters are right aligned horizontally. You can also change vertical alignment, meaning where the text is in relation to the top and bottom of the cell. You can find all of these alignment options by clicking the dialog box launcher in the Alignment group of the Home tab.